Today we're going to learn how to use ChatGPT. Open a browser, go to chatgpt.com and hit enter, and then click on the stay logged out link. So here is your ChatGPT interface, and you will be entering your question in the search box. So let's say I would like to know about George Washington. So here you go. ChatGPT gave a description with 200 words. Let's say I would like to know about my son is in fourth grade and he is not doing well in math. How can we help him? Now ChatGPT gave encourage problem solving skill, challenge him with advanced topic, math games and apps, visit a math museum of science or science center, encourage growth mindset, and various one. But let's say I don't like that information. I would say create schedule to study math. So now it gave some suggestions on how much to study in each day. Right? Let's say I still don't like what they gave. I can ask create the in tabular format. So now you gave that information in tabular format, looks better, and you can copy and give it to your son. In this case, I'll give it to my son. Another question, let's say create a test data with 10 with the first name, address, city, state, zip, and country for 10 records. Now, ChatGPT gave 10 rows of data with first name, last name, address, city, state, zip code, and country. And then last thing, let's say I would like to know about programming. Give me the hello world program in Python. ChatGPT also gave me the hello world program in Python, and this is the line that prints Hello world. Alright, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.